ain't have my shoes tied yet. But I'll get them taken care of. It is Wednesday, another warm one, and we're headed to Raleigh. And we've been to this location once before. Super loyal customer of ours. It's her brother's store, Rooms Xpress, right on Glenwood. Perfect road access. And we were needing a spot, so I reached out and they said absolutely, and also said that any weekend, any Saturday or whatever, we need a spot, we could park there. So we're headed out there. I think it's going to be a busy one, just based off the week so far. I mean, it's been slammed both days on this truck, and going to Raleigh in that area, kind of Glenwood or Crabtree Valley Mall is right there, and we have a huge customer base in Raleigh. So expecting a banger today. It's going to be a busy one. And then our custom printed bowls, which will have this on the bowl, but it'll be like printed, so it's not a sticker, but our bowls will now have our logo. So we're going to go pick up 24,000 of those that arrived last week for pickup. So we'll have to go get a trailer and go to Restaurant Depot to pick that up after the shift. But yeah, just another day of getting after it. So we're I think we're running on time today. Already drenched in sweat. So maybe it won't be as busy because it's hot. We're running a little bit behind. Sorry, I'm got a dentist that's wanting us to come out, and she's actually in the business park that I'm looking at moving into, and the owners seemed a little bit concerned about the time frame because of the crowds we draw. And I told her the other day I needed approval, make sure that she gets approval, and she came back and said she got permission from all the tenants, and that some of them weren't even going to be open that day. And I said, well, okay, but I need approval from the landlord. I don't want to show up and then be asked to leave. And so she was saying she would do that now. But we're running a little bit behind today. So I got the pedal to the metal, but just another day on the purple truck.
Hey, this is Drew Rivers with Rooms Xpress. I thought you guys would like Buoy Bowls coming out today, and this hot day is a nice way to cool off. Thank you for coming out.
Summer day, and we heard so much about Buoy Bowls, we just thought we'd come out and try it, and we're really excited about it.
So our printer has stopped working, and it's the charger shorted. It like legit caught on fire inside, not legitimately, but it did burn up everything. So we don't have a printer. We're having to handwrite tickets, and it's time consuming, and it's just a lot easier to have a printer. So I don't want to buy another printer. I'm hoping we can find a charger cord that will work, and so we're going to try Best Buy. Well, we got the printer working. I was gonna go get our custom printed bowls, but I may just wait and do that tomorrow. It's 3 o'clock by the time we, I'm not getting caught in that traffic. So, and I just went and picked up bowls, so I don't need them right now, unless they call and say you gotta come pick them up, but they haven't, so I'll probably do it tomorrow. I think we'll have enough time in between shifts, we can go snag it. Probably what we'll do. It is scorching hot, and it was all day. Sweat like this all day, and it was not as hot, well, as Monday and Tuesday, but it's felt way hotter all day, and felt like it on the truck. And we were busy, but not as busy as I thought. First 2 hours were super busy, and that last hour kind of dropped off. Still consistent, but dropped off, and I think 100% the heat factors into that. But you know, you can't close up shop because of the heat. It says we give out water, and we've got a cool treat, so that plays in our favor when you got humidity and heat like today. We're supposed to go pick up our custom printed bowls, which I'm super excited about seeing those and getting those out, and I'm probably going to do something with like the first 5-10 customers get a free bowl in that bowl, and I'll have to figure that out. But we're going to wait and do that tomorrow. It's already 4 o'clock, and traffic on 540 headed out there is like standstill, and I'm just still have to go get a trailer and yada yada. So we're going to do that tomorrow. But another great day on the truck, you know, super hot. Running behind a little bit this morning, just ups and downs, hiccups and bumps in the road and all that stuff in between, but made it happen, and actually looks like it's about to storm, so we got it in. The 3 hours are working way better than the 4. We pulled back from the 4-hour shift because our freezers can't hold the opening and closing for 4 hours. It can't keep up keeping itself cool, and so we backed off. And in the 4th hour is when we would sell out, and obviously we don't like to sell out because you're having to turn people away, and so we've been doing 10 to 1 or 11 to 2, and it's working great. Our freezers are maintaining, and we're not selling out, so that's probably what we're going to continue to do. And I had anticipated taking next week off to do a ton of stuff, get the trucks in the shop, get them taken care of, and get moved in a storefront, but realizing that there's already obligations to people to be there, I'm not going to cancel on them, so we'll have to rethink that whole idea. But it's another day of waking up and getting it done. Tomorrow's going to be a banger, a long one, and I don't think we were doing double shifts last summer, and they're long and hot, and I've thought about knocking Thursdays back to 1 shift, and towards the evening probably do like a 4 to 8, because it's a lot on our crew to do double shifts, and so we'll have to play with that too. But every day we're growing, we're trying to figure this thing out we call Buoy Bowls, and we appreciate y'all's patience. We appreciate y'all's support. It means the world to us, and can't thank y'all enough. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I think my kids have swim practice, so go do that. Thank you so much, and we'll see y'all in Holly Springs tomorrow.
Oh.